What is going on, everybody? Yvonne here. Now today we're going to dive into GoHighLevel and see if it's worth you guys' time and money in 2025. We're going to break down its features, use case scenarios, go over different pros and cons, and see if it's going to be a good fit for you guys' business. So stick around to the end because I'm going to share my personal insights and we're also going to cover other alternatives. Now you may be asking yourself, what is HighLevel? For those of you guys that are unfamiliar, HighLevel is pretty much a complete platform that has everything you guys need. Ranging from sales, marketing, even customer support, everything lives under one centralized roof. So pretty much imagine ClickFunnels, MailChimp, Zapier, Calendly, all within one platform. And that's pretty much the goal of HighLevel here, is to make sure that you have that one central hub where you can do all of your workout, and that way all the different systems speak to one another. So throughout this video, I'm going to be sharing my screen here as we go through the interface of the platform. So if you guys do want to follow along or even try out the platform completely for free, the link for it is going to be below down in the description. Now once you guys click on that link, all you got to do is just press this 14-day free trial, enter in you guys' company name. So let's go ahead and do test company. Our name is going to be Yvonne Morzenko, but feel free to enter your own. Enter you guys' email address as well as your guys' phone number. Once you guys have done that, let's go to step 2. Go ahead and select the plan you guys want. For most of you guys that are watching this video, I highly suggest a startup plan because it has pretty much all the features you guys would care about. However, if you guys are trying to scale and you have an agency of some sort where you would need different sub accounts, that way I would jump into the unlimited plan or the professional plan. But depending on your guys' budget and business goals, but you can have a free trial for all of them. So just go ahead and see which one applies to you guys. Go ahead and enter your guys' payment information, click these 2 boxes, and you guys are ready to go. Now let's go ahead and see what the platform actually entails. It's going to be built up of 2 different levels. First, there's going to be the sub accounts, and second, there's going to be the agencies. So when it comes to the sub accounts, think of it as an actual business. So within that sub account or you guys' business, you're able to run marketing, connect your guys' social media accounts, run reports, different stuff like that. On the agency side of things, think of it as like a cloud there that manages different sub accounts. So for example, we all know Google. So imagine Google is going to be your guys' sub account, and Alphabet, the company that kind of owns it, is going to be its agency. And to easily switch between the two, all you got to do is just go here up top, switch to agency view, and you guys are going to have all the different features when it comes to running an agency. So if you guys are thinking of starting a digital marketing agency, this will be the perfect place. From here, you can manage all your guys' clients, run reports, or even resell the platform. The cool thing about HighLevel is that it can be white labeled, so you can go ahead and resell the platform with your guys' own twist. But most folks that use the agency views usually do so to manage their sub accounts. So from here, you'll be able to see the performance of all your guys' sub accounts, see account snapshots, as well as if you guys go to the agency dashboard, you'll be able to see pretty much the performance of your guys' agency and how it's doing. If we go to the prospecting workspace here, it allows us to connect all of our clients within one place, and that way nothing gets lost. But if you guys want to use HighLevel just for one business, you guys will probably spend a lot more time in the sub account section. Now there's going to be a lot of features here under the hood. First, if we go to the dashboard, you'll be able to see pretty much how your own business is doing. So again, all these little boxes or dashboards are customizable, but overall you'll be able to see the performance of your guys' business. So think of the important things like where you guys' deals are at, your guys' marketing, who's converting, who's not, things like that. So if we scroll down, there's going to be all the different graphs here on different opportunity statuses, on the opportunity values, so how much they are, conversion rates, so stage distribution. So we're able to see what percentage of our deal are like closed lost, or what percentage of our deals are closed won or in contract stage. So your guys' funnels, so see how much is in your guys' pipeline, the tasks you guys have to do, manual actions, different stuff like that. So think of it as like whenever you guys start your day, this is where you go to see what you guys need to do for the day. And once we go here to conversations, the cool thing about HighLevel is you can go ahead and talk with your guys' customers from here. Since you guys can connect your guys' Instagram and Facebook to HighLevel, you can go ahead and communicate with your guys' customers from here. And this can be done much faster with a snippet, but the best part about it is that you guys don't need to have 3 different windows open, and that way nothing slips through the cracks. And as we make our way down here, once we go to calendar, pretty much if anybody wants to make an appointment with you guys, you can go ahead and embed this on your guys' website, or even send it in the link through an email that you guys are sending out. And you can have different calendars for different team meetings or different events, and all you need to do to create one is just go to create calendar, and there's going to be different scheduling types ranging from personal booking to class booking, round robin, or collecting booking. And that's why I think HighLevel is so great, just because of how versatile it is, and it can be pretty much used for any business. And once we go down here to contacts, this is pretty much where you guys are able to store your guys' contacts and the folks you guys are interacting with. This is going to be really important because from here you can go ahead and create lists, and that way you guys can go ahead and filter your guys' opportunities that you guys are working. Now here's what I mean by this. Let's say we're selling any type of software. However, there are going to be certain buckets you can go ahead and put them in. So let's say we're selling to salespeople, then we're selling to marketers, then we're selling to engineers. All those people care about different things. So we want to go ahead and have all the communication that goes out to be specifically tailored to them. And that's where a power of a list comes in, because we can go ahead and put folks under a specific list there, and that way all the communication that goes out is going to be specifically tailored to them. And that way, whenever you work your opportunities here or even work your guys' pipelines, you can go ahead and see which specific sector or list type is converting the best. So essentially the contact and the opportunity section function as your guys' CRM, and that way all of you guys' communication communications with you guys' clients can be kept right over here. And whenever a deal goes through, you guys can go ahead and send invoices, collect payments, or just modify you guys' documents within HighLevel's platform as well. You can go ahead and do that in the payments tab right over here. And of course, you can go ahead and tie all these actions here to the reporting tab below, which we'll go over. Now, the thing that HighLevel is known the most for is going to be its marketing features. And as you guys see here, we're able to connect Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, so many different platforms. And the main goal here, and sorry if I'm sounding like a broken record here, but it's to connect all of you guys' platforms within one place. And that way it creates a centralized source of truth. Because if you have data from Facebook in one place and then Google and TikTok, it's so hard to see what's working versus what's not. And again, you guys know that in this day and age, the customer journey is not linear. And that way, since everything is connected to one spot, we're able to follow it much more thoroughly. And outside of the social planner here, we can go ahead and launch our email campaigns. We even connect our ads, affiliates, and different trigger links. And if you guys have trouble with creating the actual content itself, Content AI does a really good job with giving you guys many different samples to start off with, and you can build on top of them. So literally, you can go ahead and describe what you guys are looking for, and AI can go ahead and create it for you. Now, going down here, what happens after someone actually interacts with you guys' marketing or sales efforts? What do we do from there? What I highly recommend, and this is what HighLevel is really known for, is putting some type of automation on there. Now, when I say automation, think of it as like if-then logic. So if somebody interacts with you guys' Facebook post or submits a form or interacts with you guys' email, then X, Y, and Z is going to occur. Now, this is pretty important because as you guys scale, there is going to be a point where you just can't manage every single interaction. And that way, these automated workflows can do pretty much all the heavy lifting for you. I would go ahead and go to the workflow tool here, look from a recipe, and you can see different workflows they're already created for you, like recovering abandoned carts with 2 emails, or helping you guys with your lead nurturing, or sending a WhatsApp on delivery status. There's so many different things you can do. I would for sure check this out because as you guys scale, you don't want to worry about things slipping through the cracks, and that way you can grow efficiently. And last couple things here, but whenever we go to sites, you can see all the different funnels, websites, stores, webinars, analytics, blogs. Again, this is all drag and drop, so you can go ahead and make it on the HighLevel's platform, modify it, and later report on it. So as you guys see here, people can go ahead and see our funnel here. It later connects to our marketing efforts, and then from there, it goes to the opportunities. And that way, it's pretty much a full circle there because everything is connected with one another. And if you guys are curious on what is working and what is not, I would always go to the reporting tab here and see how everything is doing, ranging from Google Ads to Facebook to attributions, see what is working and what is not. And of course, this is demi data. So whenever you guys get your stuff in there, you can go ahead and customize and build on top of it. And if there's something missing, I would always check out the app marketplace because HighLevel has a pretty good amount of integrations that it works with. So essentially, the biggest pros of the platform is that everything is within one place. It's super scalable, and there's going to be a ton of automations available for you guys. Now, the biggest drawbacks here, I'd say, is going to be around the learning curve. Even though the platform is really powerful, it does take some time to get used to before you guys use it to its full extent. And $100 does not lay on the ground, so I'd first go ahead and try out the system within 2 weeks to see if it's going to be a good fit for you guys. And in addition to that, and this does not affect me, but some people have complained about the UI UX design. So if that's something that's kind of bothering you regarding the platform, that can be a drawback as well. So in conclusion, if you guys are a marketing agency looking to grow, or you're a business that's looking to double down on its marketing efforts, HighLevel is a no-brainer. But if you guys struggle with technology and you don't have the biggest marketing budget, then I'd say it wouldn't be a good option. As an alternative, I would check out ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, or HubSpot because it has a lot of the same features. And there you have it, folks. So is HighLevel still worth in 2025? The answer simply depends on you guys' business needs. If you guys are a marketing agency or you're looking to really grow your guys' marketing efforts, I think it's a phenomenal product. Considering the cost is only $100 a month, there's a lot that you can do with it. However, if you guys are a solopreneur or just getting started, it might be a bit of an overkill. And if you guys want to try out HighLevel for yourself, the link for it is going to be below down in the description. Remember that on this channel, we make videos regarding different tools and platforms to help you guys start and grow your guys' business. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.